koutou called Zach ahau. I am Zach.
And more today, Winton School, called Anthony ahau. I am Anthony. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for hor-a, the 2nd of March.
We start the day with a big kia ora to all the junior school Olympians who robbed the nest, egg and spooned, ran, jumped and threw yesterday.
A huge thank you to all the helpers, parents, teachers, students and house captains who made the day a big success.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is ahau, which is te reo for what?
As in, he ahau, tenei. What is this?
He potae, tenei.
Ka pai hor-a, it's a hat.
Ahau, which is te reo for what?
Book fair news. Let's talk about that, koutou.
All next week is book fair in the library. All sales are after school only.
Bring your cash, buy a big open every day after school for 30 minutes. And guess what?
What?
Next Friday, it's dress up day and the theme is monsters.
Brains! That's my zombie impression.
Tiki team news. You have a meeting at 12:30 in room 13. Bring your kai, kia ora.
Can all room 11, 12 and 13 girls please attend the meeting in room 13 at playtime?
On to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is very high from 12 until 4.
So make sure you're wearing your potae and a sunsmart from 10:30. Kia ora.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Year 5s to 8s are allowed over the road at playtime to play at intervals.
Make sure you cross Eglinton Street at the pedestrian crossing carefully.
But what about crossing after school?
Let's talk about that, koutou. There are 2 designated crossings, Clyde Street and Eglinton Street.
Both are skillfully managed by the Year 7 Road Patrol team. Use the crossings and follow the commands carefully.
Staff are supervising and you are to manage yourselves safely across the road at the crossings, not halfway down Eglinton Street, kia ora.
Sports news. A big kia ora to all the students returning equipment to the trolleys. Ka pai.
Touch news. Winton Wombles, you have a practice at playtime. Please meet at the library steps.
And Winton Warriors, please meet Chloe and Casey at the junior lunch area after you have finished your lunch. Kia ora.
Now, if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices from the text box below.
Whoa, that'll help. Yeah, thank you. And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Katie Apopo. See you tomorrow.
Hurry and stay sharp, Winton School.